for something big. Hear the roar of engines, the snap of giant trees, and watch them fall in seconds. This is logging like you've never seen before. Don't miss out. Being a lumberjack takes real skill, strength, and bravery. It's tough, dangerous work. Watch as powerful machines and fearless operators tackle massive trees with precision and power. Hats off to the heroes of the lumber world. You don't want to miss this. I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's humbling work. Every log is different, and every cut has its risks. You have to respect the wood and the forces at play, because when those logs start moving, they don't care how experienced you are. Taking down a dead tree near high-voltage power lines is no job for amateurs. These trees are unpredictable and can fall suddenly, risking damage and injury. This is serious work best left to the pros. Safety comes first in these situations every single day. There's no room for mistakes. Just 3 minutes. That's all it takes for a lifetime of growth to come crashing down. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the world, respect for the tree, and respect for the skill it takes to bring it down. That's what this video is all about. Sure, the old-timers have stories of white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask what they really miss. And it's the simple things. The rumble of the cab, the smell of diesel and pine on a hot summer day, watching the fields pass by. Those memories stick with them long after they've hung up their gear. This gentleman built a woodcutter right in his backyard. The setup took some work, but now it operates smoothly, safely, and impressively. I can't wait to see what improvements he makes next.
It's like the river.
Looking for power, efficiency, and control? The Pizzolato 1300 to 1500M has it all. With a 1,150 horsepower Caterpillar engine, it delivers raw power for any wood chipping task. Picture the satisfaction of producing up to 400 cubic meters of perfect chips every hour. And with radio remote control, you're in total command. Every tree holds hidden tension that can make cutting dangerous if you're not prepared. Always assess carefully before making the cut. If you're familiar with this challenge, drop a 1D in the comments. If this video blew your mind, let us know. Your support keeps our creative fire burning. Alright folks, today's got a real challenge in store. A bur oak that's probably been standing for centuries. No excavator? No problem. We'll rely on good old know-how and some elbow grease. Let's show this old-timer we've still got what it takes. Sweden's vast forests meet their match with the High Pro 75 HB harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge High Pro 45 clamp. It handles trees up to 45 centimeters thick with ease, even those with complex root systems. Operating with surgical precision, this machine ensures a healthy forest ecosystem for years to come. These trees are truly impressive. After years of growth, they've become dense and heavy. Felling them takes precision, and loading the logs demands serious muscle. You can really feel the power of that excavator as it muscles those massive logs onto the truck. behind the wheel for this operation? Oh, not that guy. You know how they say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, that sorta applies here. This log's rough and rugged on the outside, but the inside is pure beauty. And by the way, every time this guy grabs the wood, it catches me off guard. Really gives me a scare. Whoa, hold on. Cutting down trees? Nope. This is way tougher than it looks. We're lucky that nature doesn't always throw its full force at us. Now that's what I call impressive. Navigating those steep inclines with that kind of weight? No easy feat. The driver's skill was clear, and the truck's power was unstoppable. Imagine slicing through those massive logs with the smooth precision of a seasoned lumberjack. That's the magic of the six-way wedge. It's not just raw power, it's all about finesse. Staying alert on the job is key to keeping yourself and everyone around you safe.
Oh boy, this is wind caught
Man, those Maine winters get freezing cold. So folks there have this awesome tradition of prepping by chopping wood in the fall. They head into the woods, cut down trees, and bring the wood back home. Picture the sound of the saw, the scent of pine filling the air. It instantly makes you think of cozy nights by the fire. With the ability to slice through massive 70-centimeter diameter logs, the ALT-15 is like a gentle giant, effortlessly turning tough challenges into perfect lumber. It's a true testament to how technology can elevate the art of woodworking. Fiber Pro tools. Paired with the Monster Quad CO27 SC, it's like a fire-breathing dragon in action. It tears through towering trees with awe-inspiring speed and strength. You can almost feel the earth tremble beneath its power. It's a symphony of steel and hydraulics, a true testament to human ingenuity. Are you ready to tame the wilderness with this titan of the timberlands? Don't let woodworking intimidate you. The HM126 portable sawmill isn't just a tool. It's your ticket to a world of woodworking wonders. Imagine turning rough logs into perfect planks for your dream deck, or strong beams for that backyard cabin you've always wanted. With the M12-6, your lumber dreams come to life. If that adrenaline rush left you craving more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell.